So today I am at, what's the name of this?
Lulinghayaw.
Lulinghayaw
Yeah.
Nature Reserve.
Nature Park.
Nature Park. And we got up here and it started raining really hard, so we're hiding under this canopy.
Missing with us.
And I have my beautiful girlfriend Ann, her son Billy, her sister Jessica, and her daughter
Yeah.
Sophia. And looks like, hello Sophia. She's quiet, she doesn't say much.
Smile po.
But it is so pretty up here. The mountains in that background. And the rain has finally stopped and it's getting hot and humid. So now it's stopped raining. I can take a little walk around the little garden here and give you a peek at that. Up there's where we were sitting while it's raining, and still up there. It's really hot and humid now. But first we'll go down this way. And we have a little area here. There's, hello! And it looks like we got Mickey Mouse as a clock. Little setting area here. They made a lot of stuff out of tires, I see, like a ship's wheel out of tires and pop bottles. Little setting area here. A vehicle here you can climb up in and stand in it, get your take pictures. We've got all kinds of neat stuff here. Pretty stuff. Got the bicycle there. All kinds of different plants here. Don't ask me what any of them are called because I don't know. I'm not a very good plant person. What do we have here? We've got a minion made out of tires. Lots of benches and sitting areas here. Okay, you can come in from the other walkway and get into that, it looks like. Lots of places to sit and relax and talk and take pictures with lots of foliage, lots of different foliage. Looks at the flowers here. Like I said, don't know what they are. Sit down there, you can get your picture taken with your girlfriend and a heart. I have not done that yet with Ann, probably might do that before we leave. Pretty little area here. And I'm just going to cheat and step through here. We were sitting here before it started raining and getting a picture of Jessica and her daughter Sophie in here earlier. Another area over there for picture taking. Good places here to get photos. Guato garden. I don't know if Guato, I'll have to ask Ann if Guato means garden.
She's not available right now. As I'm doing this voice recording, I want to get it done with. My Messiah or Tagalog translator, neither one would tell me what that was. So I had to try to Google it, and what Google tells me is it's an artificial recess or structure made resemble a natural cave. So I'm thinking that is where the cross and the Mother Mary is on top of the hill.
No picking of flowers. How you doing, sir? So a couple little angels with looks like Mother Mary and the cross. The Philippines is Catholic, so you have a lot of Catholic stuff here.
So I could not hear all the sound like children and stuff playing in the background that day that I hear on the recording here. What that was coming from was they do have a pool there kind of under the hill from where the cross is. Didn't even know it was there really until I seen it on the drone video.
So now we are headed back to the car, I think. Yeah. But first they want to get some photos. Pretty lady.
Wala, pwede makagyan picture oh. Eh, ingat kayo. Dulak mo, disilar mo dali.
All kinds of little setting areas over here. We parked in here, didn't we?
After we left the nature park, I'm not going to say it because I can't pronounce it correctly, we went to Ipil. And I didn't have the cameras available. They were in the trunk. So, and when we got there, it was a surprise to me. I didn't know we were going to the capital, but it was really cool. We did get out and back, and it's like a big drop off behind the capital back there, and you can see out to the ocean. And we did get some pictures there. I did get some video footage in the vehicle as we left behind the Capitol down the hill with the GoPro from the car. Ipil deserves a video all its own, but I never got to town to really fly the drone there. It's a very busy place, and every time we was there, it was something needed that we couldn't get in Pampalisan. So thanks for watching this segment of the vlog. As soon as I get the next one done, I'll be posting it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one. Bye.